brought you to our house that we used to live in when we were in Panama, y'all. And let me tell you, it is so different. But this is where we used to live, in this house right here. It used to be a mango tree in the middle.
This is the house we grew up in.
You just took a picture. We lived in this one, and you would come and play here. I remember we were playing baseball outside right in the front.
That used to be a mango tree. That trees?
Is that where Scenic live?
Yeah, that's where they live. I don't know if they're still there. So over there was the pool. You knew you could still see kind of like the blue color. But that was the pool. And let me tell you, that place was a hot place. Like, we were playing music. Like, we used to just be jamming to the music at home.
It was like a community pool.
It was like a community pool, yeah.
Oh, sure.
It was so lively. It's so sad, like how it just, you know, kind
They
of,
just changed everything.
maybe it just, yeah. But yeah, it's a little different, because I was like telling Rohan, I was like, yeah, we used to have a long walk to go down there. Rohan was like, go sorry, when you're 10, everything looks long. And that was a corner store right there.
Oh, yeah?
We used to come out and buy stuff right there by the corner store. So Melissa wants to go to the lake we used to go to, where a coral snake
Where was this one?
run across her foot. You see how the house is here? There's space between it. It's not like Panama City.
That one is joined.
Yeah, but you still have space in between the houses.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones.
You see this? It's Skyline. And then you pick it.
Oh my gosh.
Then we used to open it up. You want to taste it, Priya?
No, I don't like the tea.
It looks like pomegranate.
I bet that's what makes it so bad.
As a tea.
Like this. You want to taste it later?
Peyton, does it taste like the tea?
Mm-mm.
It tastes really good. Give me this.
So how come the
Hold
tea
on.
tastes so bad? It tastes like a candy. Ah, you can't take all of it. It's really bad.
It's sweet.
I'd rather eat this than drink the tea.
Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso de tortolito no queda bien, bebé. Mejor de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. Tú hiciste lo que nadie quería. Serispo para mis poesías. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Chico con par de maldades.
Melissa didn't want to go home, so we went to see where we lived, and now they want to come to the Causeway, Amador. So we are now at the Causeway again. We were here last year. I'll put the link in the description if y'all want to see that one. And we're here again. Rohan wants to go on the bike, but no, we did the bike the last time, and y'all, let me tell you, it was a killer. This is killing my legs. I don't even think we've been pedal for 5 minutes. And my legs killing me. But look, my legs look tired. Are you tired?
No.
You're not tired? No. My legs are killing me. It's a burning. I am in the front, you guys, where the bags go. Legs killing me. So I'm not pedaling nothing. But let me tell you, an hour and 30 minutes is good enough, I swear, because why when I say killing, we just have no shape, people, no shape.
Pero sincero,
Priya, it sucks to be so big.
verdadero, baby. Secreto que tú solo sabes.
There is so much life happening here. That is all I know. Like, the whole way coming here on the strip, people are riding the bikes, doing all kind of scootering. Like, life is happening. Like, even people are still like walking around. This is the kind of lifestyle I like. You know what I'm saying? Like outdoor living. So we're gonna do scooters this time. Woo, scooters. What do you want to do?
The cart over there.
Oh, she want to do the cart and the bike.
Yeah, there was one over there.
Okay.
Momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en
After a long time waiting. Finally.
mis canciones, esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh no, oh yeah. Okay. Mala mía si tú estás buscándome juego. Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo. Mala mía si tú estás buscándome juego. Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo. Se pone coqueta, que hasta el novio ni lo respeta. Yeah, como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. Se pone coqueta, que hasta en las fotos me.
So when you want the bikes and stuff, you have to leave your ID. So I told you, and you have to bring back this paper card so they match up that what you got is what you're coming back with. But y'all, that was so much fun. Like just scootering down there was so scenic, beautiful. Did you enjoy that? Even though we left you guys high and dry.
And lost your hair rental.
No, you didn't enjoy that.
You wasted our hour because you went way ahead of us and thinking about like, hey, where's that?
You could have still gone. You
Yeah,
walked
we
with us.
did. Then we couldn't find you.
You didn't need to find me. Just drive for the time. You drove far because you guys went down all the way down
Then we
there.
went all the way to the road and then like we're to cross the road.
Right, that's fine.
And we went back because we couldn't find you.
Yeah, como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. Yeah, 7 de septiembre, por ahí a las 6. Pa' tu casa y Netflix, solo a darle play. Era mexicana, me dijiste, wey, mejor que mi novio, si tú que lo haces. Y empezó el contacto, nos fuimos al otro cuarto. Tú eres una novata y te esa mami para ser sensato. Mami, porque a ti te parto, llámame que soy tu gato. Yo no te voté porque hermosa en México soy tu vato. Se pone coqueta, que ese el novio ni lo respeta. Como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. Se pone coqueta, que hasta en las fotos me etiquetan. Como ella se mueve, siempre hace cosas que no debe. A ella le gusta el rum rum, el olor de la gasolina. Yo no soy Anita, pero soy tu medicina. Boom boom. Ey mami, como el disco suena, se pone bien rico pa' que la cosa esté buena. Pa' que la cosa esté buena. Y con ese estilo que tú tienes, nena. Chica, soplame la vela. No es un cementerio, pero te entierro todito un poco más. No lo extrañaste toda la noche contigo. Muy bien sé que la pasaste. Vamos pero a repetirlo otra vez. Yeah. Mala mía si tú estás buscándome juego. Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo. Mala mía si tú estás buscándome juego. Un día te dejaré mirando hasta el cielo. Que hasta el novio ni lo respeta.
When I say the causeway is packed on the weekends, I'm not lying. Like, it is literally ridiculously packed. It rained and everything and people still chilling coming out here.
Siempre hace cosas que no debe. Y como tú te mueves coqueta, que hasta en las fotos me etiquetan. Y tú me etiquetas como ella se mueve. Siempre hace cosas que no debe.
This one talking about, oh, he's gonna make the cup move and he's going like this. And then we see him blow it. How is that a magic trick? They're talking about give me $1. I'm like, Jaden, that's not a magic trick.
How are you making the water disappear?
She's drinking it.
Oh my Lord.
That's what I'm saying. Go back to the drawing board. I figured that one out before she even did it.
Yeah. I can drink this water without Lila's touching this, okay? No.
You're gonna use a straw.
Let's get out of here.
These kids don't do no magic tricks.
Girl.
What kind of magic trick is that?
Ella quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. Daré Julia. Baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más.
You had to pay 25 cents to go to the bathroom.
Ella baila pero no dice nada, su booty lo expresaba con perreíto y con dembow. Sabe bien que ha sido la estrella dándole.
So remember, just make sure say you have your 25 cents to use the bathroom. Like, we're not used to that, but that's different, unique. Alright guys, so we are going to end the day 4 vlog here at the causeway. As usual guys, if you like, and just subscribe. Alright, so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Al reggaetón, ton, ton, ya. Y empieza el flow. Esta es la nueva era, pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción. No tabaco y ron. Y empieza el flow. Esta es la nueva era, pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción. No tabaco y ron, ron, ron. Quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. Baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más.
I told Nancy we want to come to this beach. Nancy told me, no, the beach is not that nice. So wrong, Nancy. Admit it on camera. You were wrong, and I was right.
El que más ladra come hueso, el que a ti te baila sabe eso.